Hey guys, this is Appa for real. And before this video starts, I just wanted to ask you guys to please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a ton, and it'll help boost this video to the people who need it and want to see it. Thank you guys. Alright, with that being said, let's get right on into the video. So step one is open your browser of choice and look up Instagram Creator Studio. Press enter, press the first link, Creator Studio for Instagram, Facebook. And then from there, you're going to want to press this Instagram login button. And I'm going to put in all of my personal information and sign in, but what you're going to want to do is put your phone number, username, or email, and then your password, and press the blue login button. Alright, so now that I have all of my information in, I'm going to press the blue login button. It may take a little bit of time. I'm going to press not now. And there we go. I am into the Instagram Creator Studio. So from here, you're going to want to press create a post. I use Instagram feed. You can use IG video. I find personally that this Instagram feed gives me the best quality posts, so I always use that. You're going to want to write your caption, like blah blah blah. You can add a location, like, share, comment, and follow. And then you're going to want to start adding your content. So you press the little plus button, or this, from file upload, and you're going to choose any of your videos. So I'm going to do done 3. I already posted this on my Instagram. And from there, you can tag people or you can delete it if you don't want to post this one, if you put it up by a mistake. And down here, it's just uploading into the cloud, so it's at 23% and it's going pretty quickly. So before you post, just make sure that that is on 100% and it should show like a little green circle around it. So yeah, so from here, I'm going to tag somebody. So let's say I want to tag team CMD GGs. So I tag somebody, I can tag other people, just press this little button up here. I have 19 tags left, so you have a total of 20 on Instagram, and then you press save. And then from there, I'm going to select a cover image. You can do an auto-generated one. There's a few good ones, like I could do maybe this one, or I could do a custom upload. It'll just take you to your files, and then you press on it, press open, and then it'll save that. Or you can do it through video frames. So that's what I like to do. I feel like it gives me better quality, and it's honestly easier. So I'm going to do it as soon as I get this kill. So you see I do the last little bit of damage, I kill him, and save the thumbnail. It's really as easy as that. To get back to this page, just press the post info. So we were cover image, so we're going back to post info, and from there I can add some more content. So typically what I like to do is put a little use code APPA in the Fortnite item shop, and then I just sort of make it where you can't really see anything else, so kind of like that, and press save. And I can tag somebody here as well. For pictures, choose like the exact location, so I could do the corner, team CMD GGs, and save. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can do hashtags in here too. So I could do hashtag stay in command. And yeah, so then it gives you these few options down here. You can save it as a draft. I haven't experimented with that, but you guys can let me know how it works. Or you could publish now. So if I have it set to publish now and I press the blue publish button, it will publish within the next, I want to say, 1 to 2 minutes on Instagram. However, if you want the highest quality, I suggest scheduling it for whatever time you want. I believe the minimum is 10 minutes out. So if I am going to post today, like as soon as I can, it would be 1:28. So let's try that. Let's just do 1:28. Yep, it gives me a little thing. Scheduled post needs to be set to publish between 10 minutes and 75 days from when you create them. So I guess 1:29 would be our best bet. Yep, and you can just press schedule there. If not, it'll save the exact time that you put in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's pretty simple. Like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to boost this video onto the algorithm so people who want high quality Instagram videos and content in general can view it and see it, and hopefully I can help them out. So thank you guys for tuning in. Stay safe and take care.